Yeah, I have been learning this language for 2 years. And but if I talk about my speaking part, so I have been speaking this language for 4 months. It's been 4 months since I have been practicing this language, speaking this language. And before that, I used to learn grammatical stuffs from the YouTube. That's quite a bit about my English journey. Yeah.
Okay, you are speak better.
Thank you. Okay,
And so,
so. Yeah.
uh, tell me why are you learning this language?
Yeah, so first of all, this is my just hobby, kind of hobby. It's just become my hobby. It was not like before. It was not a hobby. It was there was a purpose behind that, but right now it is a hobby for me. And the second reason is interview. So like
Yes.
I am in final year of my graduation, so companies are visiting to my college to have to have interviews. So I have to attend the interviews. So whenever I
Yes.
attend the interview, though, then interviewer asks the question in English language. So sometimes I'm not able to answer them properly in English language. So to overcome that problem, I'm learning this language so that in future I don't get difficulties.
Okay.
Okay,
And
so
yes,
yeah,
yes, yes,
yeah,
please say.
you can ask. You can ask me anything.
Uh, which book you use for English speaking and reading?
Okay, to be honest, I have never used any book to learn English language. Like to learn English language, I have used, but to speak, I have never used. No, for speaking, I don't think so that you need any book. You just, if you have knowledge about the basic ground, then you can speak. You can start speaking with the people. Okay. So then, like as you start making the conversation, then you will get a start. You will start improving. You will start. Yeah. So yeah,
Yes.
this is what I do.
Okay.
But like in my beginning time, like when I was learning this language, I used to use the books. Like I used to use books for to translate the sentences. Okay, but
Yes, yes.
after that, I never used the book to speak. To speak, you have to speak with the person. So I will join you in the group, Skype group, where you will find so many people out there, and you can have conversation with them easily.
Okay, okay.
So, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths because I choose maths in 12th.
Okay, favorite subject is maths. So that's great. Like, I think first math is quite a bit easy, but and second math is quite a bit hard, I would say. So
Hmm.
you are from UP board now?
What do you say?
You are from UP board?
Yes, yes, I'm from UP board.
Then you might have two maths, first and the second,
No, no, no.
right?
One maths books.
Oh, in UP board there are two maths.
But in my
Math
book
first and math second.
now, two books are included in one books
Okay.
this time.
Okay. Okay. That's totally okay. Okay. So
Uh, mm, what are you now? What are you doing now this time? I mean, uh, what are you doing now this time? Studying related.
yeah, I'm just as I told you, I'm pursuing BTech, Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science. It's a
Okay.
graduation. Yeah. So, like, what are your future goals? What do you want to do after 12th?
After 12th, I want to become officer and I want to crack ND exam.
Yeah, yeah, it is. I think somewhere connected with the UPSC, if I'm not wrong.
No, 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 no. ND exam is in two parts. through UPSC, and other parts in 1 year exam, 2 times exam.
Okay. Okay. So that's great. And you should also try for Navy or Air Force.
Air Force.
Yeah, that would be great. Okay. So do you learn from the YouTube also?
Now I'm start
Like
to
I'm talking of, yeah, I'm talking about your English. So do you learn something related to grammar from YouTube, or you just watch conversational videos only?
I see conversation video on YouTube, and not any other classes. Only watch cartoon videos and conversation videos.
Yeah, that's great. And you should watch and listen the English content more and more. That would really help you. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So could you please tell me about your family also? How many family
Uh,
members are there in your family?
there are 6 members in my family, and my father is
So
a farmer, and my mother housemaker, and I'm alone son of my parents, and I have 3 sisters.
I also have the three sister, and I'm only the brother to them. And my father is also farmer. My mother is a homemaker. So I think a lot of things are matching with me to you. So that's great.
One thing
Okay.
so and our match. You are Bhardwaj,
Yes.
and I am also Bhardwaj.
Oh, that's amazing. That's surprising. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so do you also watch match cricket?
What is it?
Do you watch cricket?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so which player do you like most?
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Sorry,
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
I also like him. I'm a kind of, you can say, fan of him. So I just like only chemistry. And so you watch IPL?
No, no. In the currently, I'm not watch IPL because I'm not free in this time.
Okay. So okay, then if you have any question, then you can ask me. So, like, how many is this your first conversation with your anyone, or you just have made conversation already?
Okay.
Is this your first conversation?
No, no. This is my second or third conversation.
Okay, that's good. So I will join you in a group, okay, and
Okay.
take the benefits as much as you can. Okay, if you have any
Okay. Okay.
question, then you can ask me. Otherwise, let's wrap up this session, and we can meet any other time. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.